Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest rumors and updates about the highly anticipated Nintendo Switch 2. There's been a lot of buzz recently, and we're here to break it all down for you. Let's get started. Before we jump into the rumors, a quick word from our sponsor. The Smurfs Dreams is a new 3D platformer available on the Nintendo Switch and other consoles. This game focuses on co-op gameplay and puzzle solving, drawing inspiration from classic Mario games. If you're a fan of fun, family-friendly adventures, be sure to check it out. Our channel is all about Nintendo speculation and rumors, so here's a quick disclaimer to keep in mind. We put an effort to gather accurate details from reputable sources, but a large part of what we discussed is based on leaks, insider hints, and unofficial information. While we try to focus on credible rumors, it's essential to remember that none of these are confirmed by Nintendo until officially announced. Gaming industry leaks can be complex. Features and release dates often change before anything is finalized. The information we share is meant to spark discussion, get you excited about potential developments, and allow us to dive into the world of Nintendo news with a bit of fun speculation. So, take everything with a grain of salt, enjoy the ride, and remember, nothing is set in stone until it's straight from Nintendo. Let's dive into the latest insider speculation. Pedro Henry Ludolia, also known as PH Brazil, a credible video game journalist, has hinted that the Nintendo Switch 2 could be revealed soon. This speculation is based on industry chatter and the timing of Nintendo's financial results in November. While some fans misinterpreted his recent live stream as a guarantee of a reveal, PH Brazil clarified that it was informed speculation, not confirmation. Adding to the excitement, insider Nash Weedle has claimed that might be coming to the Switch 2 in a definitive edition by 2025. This rumor has sparked a lot of interest as it suggests that the new console could support major third-party titles right from the start. This would be a significant boost for the Switch 2, similar to how Skyrim was introduced with the original Switch. Speculation also hints at potential major releases when the new console is announced. Insider reports on dev kits suggest that third-party developers are already preparing for the Switch 2. This aligns with the idea that Nintendo is gearing up for a big reveal, possibly featuring a lineup of impressive games to showcase the new hardware. In summary, the Nintendo Switch 2 speculation is heating up with various leaks and hints pointing towards an imminent reveal. While nothing is confirmed yet, the signs are promising. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.